Alright students, so first of all happy new year to all my dear students and all my viewers. This is the first video of 2022. I know that I was quite busy, so I was unable to put new videos in the channel, but now the videos will come frequently. Okay, so today we will study about the Phasor diagram, also called as argon diagram. Okay, this topic is from alternating current chapter, right, in 12th basically, right? So this is your Phasor diagram, right, or also called as argon diagram, as I have already told you. Now what do you mean by Phasor diagram? What is the definition of Phasor diagram? Phasor diagram means a diagram that represents alternating current and voltage of the same frequency as rotating vectors, okay, and along with proper phase angle between them, right? So this is the definition of your this Phasor diagram, right? Now in this I have told that frequency as rotating vectors, right? So these rotating vectors are called as phasors, right? Phasors, and this diagram of containing phasors is called as your Phasor diagram, right? So if you are asked to write the definition of phasor, then you can write that a rotating vector that represents a sinusoidally varying quantity is called as phasor. Okay, sinusoidally varying, we have already studied in alternating current chapter that voltage and current in case of alternating quantities, they are varying in the form of sinusoidal curve. Okay, so these are called as phasors. Now see this, in this diagram what is happening, we have taken I and E. This is the EMF and this is your current in case of alternating current, right? So what happens here, this the length of these two phasors I naught and E naught, voltage and current, right? This length is the amplitude of the current and voltage in case of phasor diagram, right? This length OA, right, and OB, this represents the amplitude of the EMF and current, right? And the projection of this E and I naught, okay, the projection is this one, I have denoted it in this way here, and the projection of I is this one, this height, right? So these two are the what, this projection of these two quantities represents the instantaneous value of current and voltage. Listen again, the projection of E naught, this one, this E is the instantaneous value of EMF, right? And the projection of I naught, this quantity, this one I denoted by I, this is the instantaneous value of current, okay? And these two vectors are rotating in anti-clockwise direction with angular velocity omega, right? Now the phase angle between E and I is denoted by phi, okay, and the cos of this phi, cos phi, this you already know, this is called as the power factor, okay, and this phi angle is called phase angle, right? So this phase angle is the angle between or angle difference between the current and voltage in case of alternating supply. This omega t is your angular frequency, okay, and these are the two axes, this is the center. So this representation of alternating quantities for voltage and current, this setup is called as your Phasor diagram, right? I hope the concept is clear. This is a very important topic for alternating current and alternating voltage, right? So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can ask, okay, and I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you.